Welcome to week 7 of the RD online programme. This week is a special week because we have one of our weekend catch-ups happening. So if you are a parent juggling a PhD full-time job and the kids, then these sessions might help you. If you are working full-time and completing your PhD part-time, these weekend sessions might be more helpful for you than our regular weekday sessions. Or perhaps you just prefer to work on a weekend and take the week off. Everybody is always welcome to our weekend sessions. This weekend's catch-up includes literature review writing and getting over your academic fears. If you're a parent doing the Parent Juggle, do join me on the 15th of November at 9:30, just after the school drop-off. Bring a coffee and we can talk what it's like to juggle everything, including the parental responsibilities and the PhD. An opportunity for you to meet other researchers who are also doing the juggle. This week's Accelerator series includes sessions on productivity, increasing it, dealing with perfectionism, and also working effectively with your supervisor. So if you've missed any of these sessions already run, then do join us. We'd love to have you on board. As with all of our research workshops, please do sign up using SkillsForge. If you are unable to attend, please cancel your place. If you didn't sign up but suddenly find yourself at a loose end and would like to join us, do take a look for the tiny URL which will be posted on the Teams site on the day of the workshop.